The MQ-9 Reaper drone, also known as the Predator B, is a sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) designed primarily for long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance and reconnaissance missions. However, it is also equipped with offensive capabilities, making it a versatile tool for modern military operations. With a wingspan of 66 feet and a maximum takeoff weight of over 10,000 pounds, the MQ-9 Reaper is powered by a turboprop engine, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour and stay airborne for over 30 hours at a time. Its endurance, combined with its ability to carry a variety of payloads including sensors, cameras, and precision-guided munitions, makes it an invaluable asset for intelligence gathering, target acquisition, and close air support missions. Maintenance and repair of the MQ-9 Reaper are critical to ensuring its operational readiness. This involves regular inspections, system checks, and component replacements as needed. Highly skilled technicians and engineers are responsible for diagnosing and fixing any issues that may arise, whether they are related to the airframe, avionics, or propulsion systems. Additionally, software updates and upgrades are routinely applied to enhance the drone's capabilities and address any security vulnerabilities. Overall, the MQ-9 Reaper represents a cutting-edge advancement in unmanned aerial technology, providing militaries around the world with a potent tool for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes in both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios.